Hello. Now the store is closed, so the people are going to pray. Now we're here in Sahara. See, I will give you a view. See, empty. Everything's empty. So yes, look everywhere. Where is very empty. But the store is really closed. Also, Bakar mo heavy. It's praying time too. Oh yes, see the view. See, it's closed. Yes, this one's closed too. And also here also. So everywhere seems closed. But people are okay now. So it's Valentine's Day, Mommy and Daddy. So we're going to buy flowers for Mommy. So let's buy some flowers. But we cannot buy, it's closed. The grocery are closed. Let me show you. See, it's closed. What? I will give you a tour here in Sahara. Let's go up. Now I'm going up and my daddy's down. So I'll give you a nice tour. Ooh, so bright. Now see here. Now let's go down. So the store is open now. Now let's see the view here. What? Are you going to buy cake, Daddy?
Yes.
Which one? Oh, that's one. The other thing. Whoa! I never seen this one. Next day. Or which cake Daddy going to choose? That's a lot.
Hello. Nandito kami sa Sahara at siyempre Valentine's ngayon. Kailangan natin bigyan ng gift ang ating mga loved ones. And problema kanina, praying time, so sarado. Kaya nagantay pa kami ng ilang minutes dito sa mall bago magbukas yung mga store. Ngayon, papunta na kami sa bahay, pauwi na. Then, kahit simple gift, sana masurpresa sa misis. Kaya, samahan nyo. Happy Valentine!
May A for effort na nanay. Open it. Nakasalago naman. Happy Valentine's. Thank you. Love you both. Here.
Wow! Sweet naman ni Kuya. Happy Valentine's Day, Mommy and Daddy. Wow! Parehas naka-white. Mommy and Daddy and Daddy. Thank you, Kuya. You're so
Wow.
sweet naman. Thank you. Love you, Daddy. Ang si Bunso. Si Bunso.
Kagabi pa nagtatrabaho yan. Malalaw din.
Lakot. Di pa ako walang A-force.
Hindi niya maintindihan pagdating ko ng bahay, wala nang store na open. Dahil hindi kami nakapag-celebrate ng Valentine's, ngayon namin gaganapin. Tatay kami sa kain. Kuya,